So, okay, when choose hydrogen water tumbler. Okay, this is called no need to shoot. Later I want to go toilet. Okay. After lunch, you need to you when the energy going to the stomach, you feel sleepy. Okay, so when you talk, then at least you can keep you awake. I talk louder, lor. Okay, miracle healing water. This hydrogen water start found out in the in Germany. This place called Northern, lost in the France or Ticota, Mexico, or Natana in India. This is the place where they find out, hey, how come the people there live longer, healthier? Because the water they are taking. And through tremendous tests, they find out the water contains something called hydrogen. So what is hydrogen water? Hydrogen water or hydrogen-rich water, also called hydrogen-enriched water, simply means the normal water that contains dissolved hydrogen gas. Okay? For example, there are carbonated water like soda water. So, which contain dissolved carbon dioxide gas, CO2. Oxygen water contain dissolved oxygen gas. So it's the same thing. This water contain H2, hydrogen gas, no hydrogen electrons. Okay? So hydrogen-rich water is practically for the individual hydrations. Okay, it's like oral medicine, level 2 of intravenous medicine. We need a lot of water in daily life. Okay, the water we need in the day, it helps ultra quickly absorb or dispersion deep into our cells. So we need a lot of water. But what type of water is important for us? Like in NASA there is a researching how they use a hydrogen water to protect astronauts from the radiation effects. Okay, so they are widely used in the ICU. You see, in the ICU they use they call the invasive of hydrogen gas also. Okay, but those can have, if you don't do it, you didn't control the potency well, it carries some risk. So the most safe way is through the hydrogen water. So hydrogen gas has been shown to be very safe as a concentration in hundreds of times higher than what we use for therapies, which I mean the gas. Okay, like in 18th century, hydrogen was used to locate gunshot wounds in the intestine. Okay, so this been back to a few hundred years ago, people start to use hydrogen for health treatments. What are the benefits? You see, hydrogen are benefit in all areas, like in the brain, okay, in the auditory system, your lung, your liver, your kidney, even your intestine, your heart, and your eyes. Okay, so hydrogen is the ideal antioxidant. It's being so small and the lightest elements in the universe. You know, its molecular weight is what? H2, hydrogen gas H2. So what is the molecular weight? It's 2 ma. Hydrogen is the lightest, it's the smallest. Okay, that gives its capability of penetration. Okay, you see, this is a hydrogen molecule. Coenzyme Q10 is 863. Okay, vitamin C 176. Vitamin E 431. So, for example, if molecular weight of hydrogen is 2 well-known antioxidants such as vitamin C and others, you see, if the molecule is so big, some part of organs, with like a gland, they cannot penetrate it. But hydrogen able to penetrate because it's so small. It's the smallest molecule. So if you drink the oxygen water going to your body, it releases the oxygen. What happened? The wonder the hydrogen water is that can selectively neutralize, not just as a reactive oxygen species in our body, but only the toxin ROS. You know ROS, right? RS, the things were very damaged to our cell. So RS, how is RS? RS is OH. It's OH. So you see OH with hydrogen H2, it become what? H2O. Just imagine it's very small, fine molecule can penetrate every part of your organ, going to attach the ROS. Once the RH, it grab RH, become water. So immediately it can help you to get rid of all the oxidized properties. So that's how you improve your health condition, by enhancing your anti-inflammation, okay, for all the effects I mentioned just now. So the logic is very simple, okay? Grab the oxidized property, convert it to water immediately. So that's why you see all the damages today from the UV light, from the air pollution, ionizing radiations, smoke. Just doctor mentioned, we sit 8 hours, consider we smoke 2 cigarettes. Okay? So you want to stand up? Okay, so that's how this important to us to understand the benefit from hydrogen water. Okay? So here I use a short form HW. Hydrogen water promoting the mechanism of body delivery system. This is another very important function of the hydrogen to us. You see, the hydrogen is true as like other gastro signaling molecules. What are the gastro signaling molecules like nitro oxygen? What is NO for you? Remember our body circulation? What causes our body circulation is because of NO, nitric oxide. The nitric oxide is the main property to promoting this. Okay, that's called is gastro signaling molecules. H2 is the same like the nitric oxide, or even the H2S. Okay, so these things can help because it's so small. They can active our receptors, become more active. Remember just now we talked about the insulin. The insulin able to grab the glucose, right? So what happens? You have type 2 diabetic. Your receptor is not that active because of oxidized ROS and all this. So what happened? H2 can neutralize those oxidized from become H2O. They make your receptor become more active. That's why if you have H2 hydrogen water, it can enhancing the activity of your receptor, which means that it can enhancing your body, the mechanism of body delivery system. What does that mean to you? For example, if you have the hydrogen water, okay, you pour it together with PSR, or a few the other powder form products. It helps you to absorb faster. So hydrogen water is not only benefit in the way can help to enhancing your antioxidations, but also enhancing your body delivery system. Yeah. So that's another thing is oxidation reduction potential (ORP) towards to hydrogen water. Have you heard about ORP? Okay. For our hydrogen water, the Tumbler. Andrew, can you help me to put some water? I will show them how these things generated the hydrogen. Thank you very much. So it's very simple, okay? For our ORP content, it's about -600. ORP stands for oxidation reduction potentials, okay? Or also considered as redox potentials. It's measure the water's tendency to act as either a reducing agent, or oxidizing agents. Okay, so which means that if your ORP is minus, means this has the capability to reduce the oxidized level in your body. If it's a plus, means it's enhancing. So which is better? Plus better or minus is better? Minus. So that is to use to measure, okay, whether the property are antioxidant or cause you oxidize?
Forgot to full already.
Okay, you have take out the ring. Do again. Hey, this is very good demonstration. Okay, show you must take out the cap before you put it in the water. Andrew know how to do it. Okay, just you want to show you a demonstration. Do you believe or not? I don't believe because it's new product. Okay, so because I want to show you how this thing generated the hydrogen. You see, so this is one of the measurement of, see, before and after the treatment, the hydrogen water contain what kind of level of antioxidant properties. Today, our tumbler, okay, is a -600 ORP. What does that mean? What projects you with a -600? If you drink 6 bottles, this is very small, 250, very handy, right? You can put it in your bag. Carries, you can do anytime to put the water in and do the treatments. 6 bottles is 1.5 liter, right? 1.5 liter equivalent, you eat 500 apples. Can you eat 500 apples a day? Even a monkey cannot eat 500 apples a day, sure it can't. But can you drink a mug like this for 6 mugs a day?
Yes, yes, yes.
You know, we drink our coffee, the coffee, the cup, it's 200 ml. So it's like drink 6 cups of coffee. If you drink 6 cups of hydrogen water, it's equivalent to 500 apples. That level of antioxidants, okay? So, when choose hydrogen water tablet, produce the water contain hydrogen with 3,700 part per billion. Okay, part per billion. It's very high. As everything above 3,500 as medical grade. Okay, can certify as a medical device. And ORP reach to -600. We use we very friendly. You see? Oh, who started? Oh, okay. You see, there's a bubbles come up. Okay. You see the bubbles? It's generating the nitrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. Okay, this is how the mechanism. This is a platinum and titanium coating. Okay, because once they charging it with the water, they have this effect. It's able to produce on the surface, on the top part, it produces nitrogen gas. Hydrogen. Hydrogen gas. Okay. I eat the curry too much. My tongue starts to twist. Okay. It's using a platinum electrode. This is very important because the material that using it determine how fine is the coating on the platinum. It defines how much the nitrogen it can produce. Okay, so 3,007 above is good enough for you already. Okay, and our product is very well. We OEM from very well-known factories. Very friendly to you. We are not the manufacturer for this tablet. Okay, the reason we want to launch this new Tumbler as a Me Too product to you, one of the reasons because we have so many other byproducts. So using the hydrogen water to mix with other products will enhance the effect. And somehow, we drink water every day, man. So rather than drink water, we want you to drink a better quality water. Okay, so that's why we are not adding other features like what other companies. We want it very simple and stable. Okay, and we put a very good price on it. Usually you can find this product in the market range from 100 to 1,000 something. Average for if hydrogen is 3,005 above, they sell usually 700. 700 to 800. After discount, it's about 500 something. But today, we're selling 490. But with a promotion, with VRP, so if later or leaders will share with you how much it worth. Okay, and today have extra special promotions. The technology from Korea. Okay, the technology from Korea. These are the certificates and the reports. Okay, so in general, okay, how this one you charge 3 to 4 hours is able to last you for 15 times, which means you can do a treatment work like for 15 times. One day you only need drink 6 months, correct or not? So one charge can last for at least 3% of your family to drink throughout the day. So if you go travel, you bring a mug like this. It's very handy to put in ladies' bag.
Yes.
Mr. So said, why don't do like 300, 400 ml? Wow, you go outstation and you carry the one like carry a bomb. Okay, it's very heavy. And some more. What matters is hydrogen potency. It's not how much water you drink. Okay, so you drink less water, but that potency of hydrogen is good for you already. And okay, this 250 ml. We use the SPE ionic membrane technology. Okay, so full power charge use more than 15 times. Okay, for electrolysis means that okay, every we call the treatments 3 to 10 minutes. 3 to 10 minutes. Now you see, once the light is off, means treatment is done. Drink immediately. Okay, cannot use cold water. You can use any filtered water will do. Okay, so don't use hot water. Water temperature below 55 degrees centigrade. Mean warm, okay, but not hot water, not boiled water. The hydrogen density is 3,007 to 5,000. So, as what I mentioned just now, ORP is the measurement of antioxidants. So if ORP minus is showing in alkaline. So you can use your alkaline test paper to test after treatment, hey, whether this one got hydrogen or not, hydrogen gas or not. You will put your test paper to test it. Okay? So it's very common in the market today compared with 5-6 years ago. Okay, it's starting by the Japanese with all the spoon and everything. Okay, the cost as a bomb, but now it's very user-friendly and cost-friendly. That's why we want to launch this product as a Me-Too product, so that every individual members can benefit from the hydrogen water. I mean, you can have one simple one, but they will have a special promotion.
Yes.
Correct, yeah. So you buy other product, you can Tumbler Lucky 100, 238. You see, hydrogen water 238. You go outside, you go shopping also cannot get this price. Correct or not? And then we are different from online. We have 1 year warranty. You want 200, you want pay credit card also can. 12 months. Okay. VRP some more. Okay. So I take your 10 minutes to share this template. Yeah.
Do you need to? Is there a shelf life to your whatever?
3 years. Very good question. 3 years. This one can minimum use for 3 years. Like every day, you know, every day 15 times, like 3 years more.
As equivalent to
How many times?
How many years?
Who have a calculator? Borrow me your calculator. 3 times 365 times 15. No, one charge is 15 times. If you charge 2 times, I take 30 lah. Times 30. 3 times 365 times 30. How many times? Sorry? In English?
In liters.
60,000. 16,000 times 250. Times 250 divide by 1,000. How many liters? 4,000 liters means 4 tons of hydrogen water. You go market, you see how much for 4 tons of hydrogen water. You check. Okay, how much is 200? 260 divided by 4,000, how much? That's why I'm talking about today, yeah. How much?
6.5 cents.
Sorry, 6.5. 1 liter hydrogen water, 6.5 cents. It's okay or not? Can you ask a prayer? Yeah. Any other questions? Very cheap, 6 cents per liter. Oh, no bad. Any questions? Yeah.
How long will the hydrogen
Usually, they say within 2 hours you drink is okay. But the longer you drink, the longer you drink, the density will drop from time to time. So it's better after treatment you drink it, or you mix with other like mallow or with oil products, you drink it. It's enhancing the delivery system, it's enhancing the antioxidant. Everyone needs it. It's just the treatment starting from water. So it's so beautiful. You see, we have a biophotomodulation, the light plus the water. So it makes you better. Yeah?
Any side effects after the shelf?
No side effect. The after shelf, what mean the shelf life? The 3 years. They
4,000 over liters?
after that means the density will drop. No? The density, no side effect.
Then you just have to change.
Hydrogen water with hydrogen gas is the most safe. Most safe because the molecule is so small. It go into your body, then it's become a water. That's all. No side effect.
So what do you change? You buy a whole new tumbler or you just change those?
After 3 years, 200 something, buy a new one lah. With VRP some more, buy a new
You
one.
don't change the thing.
Buy a new one.
No, the thing.
Or you want to change it down, you want to change this one? Maybe or I talk to the factories, you better give us discount now. Okay? Yeah. Good question, good question. Yeah. And now we have a 1 year warranty. If anything, we exchange 1-to-1. Okay, Okay? Thank you very much.